Hello, YouTube family. This is ALFATIR Crawford. Welcome back to the channel, and I hope all is well. My channel is all about helping you create financial independence, whether it's through stocks, bonds, real estate, credit card arbitrage. If you did not know, I'm a business owner. I operate my family-owned and operated assisted living and family care home businesses. We have the oldest family care home in the state of North Carolina, and I'm a third generation caregiver. So this video is going to be on ways for you to open up a residential care facility in your state on a budget. I received your messages. Now, I'm responding with this video to show you how you can start an assisted living or residential care business or family care home business in your state. So you know how we do here. Let's share the screen and let's go. So again, this video is going to be on how to start a residential assisted living business on a budget. Here, I will share 7 ways to start a residential care business. Note, in this PowerPoint, ALF will stand for Assisted Living Facility, and FCH will stand for Family Care Home. So the first way to start a residential care business on a budget is rent to seniors. So if you are on a budget and would like to provide housing to seniors, consider renting a room in your home to a senior. This is a great way to start assisting seniors without the capital restraints or strains of opening an expensive senior living facility. Also, check out my new senior housing service coming soon, renttoseniors.com. Number 2, purchase an existing licensed ALF or FCH. Reach out to ALF's FCH facilities in your area to see if any are for sale. You can get a list of ALFs and FCHs in your area by contacting your local Department of Social Services Adult Care Specialist or your State Division of Human Services, which is your Adult Care Regulation Office, or just Google for a list of ALF or FCH facilities in your area. Number 3, purchase a closed ALF or FCH. Again, contact your local Department of Social Services, Adult Care Specialist, or your State Regulation Office, or just Google for a list of ALF or FCH facilities that have closed in your area. Thereafter, contact the owner to see if the property is available for sale or lease. Number 4, lease or rent an ALF or FCH. Leasing and renting an ALF or FCH is possible. Reach out to the owners of existing ALFs or FCH in your area to see if they are interested in leasing or renting out their ALF or FCH. There are many baby boomers. Remember this, there are many baby boomers who own ALF and FCHs who are owner-operators looking to retire from the industry and would welcome the opportunity to lease rent the business to enjoy their golden years. So it's important that you have an option to lease and rent a ALF or FCH. Number 5, start an unlicensed ALF or FCH. Now, many states offer the opportunity for you to provide senior housing without a license. Check with your local Department of Social Service, adult care specialist, or your state Division of Human Services. Or Google the census or rule requirements for a licensed versus an unlicensed ALF or FCH. Now, for example, in the state of North Carolina, you can provide housing to one person without being licensed. Now, a 2 to 6 bed license is required for a FCH, and a 7+ bed license is required for an ALF in North Carolina. So remember that. You do have an option to possibly operate an unlicensed residential care business in your state. Check your state for your state regulations. Number 6, start a FCH versus a ALF. It is more affordable to open a FCH versus a ALF because of the size of the facility and the number of licensed beds. So consider opening a FCH, which is 2 to 6 beds, versus an ALF, which is 7+ beds, at least in the state of North Carolina. So check with your individual state for senior care housing requirements. And number 7, community banks versus traditional bank financing. You will find more favorable business loans with community banks versus traditional banks. So consider reaching out to your local community bank for financing options for an ALF or FCH business. Community banks are more lending friendly in providing financing to community-owned and operated businesses. So there you have it, YouTube family. Here are 7 ways to open a residential care business on a budget. I hope you found this information helpful. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.